how to update your iPhone software to the latest iOS 16. So first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on the settings icon. Next, tap on General. Then go down and tap on Software Update. Allow your iPhone to check for the latest available iOS. And at the bottom here, you can tap on Download and Install. If it shows that this is not the iOS 16, you can tap on Upgrade to iOS 16 at the bottom here. And then tap on Download and Install. Now put in the phone passcode to proceed. After you put in the passcode, you need to tap on the Agree button. Tap on the Agree button again from the pop-up. Now make sure that your phone is also charged. If it is not charged, then you can plug into the wall charger to have your phone charged up during the update, because you don't want the phone to fail during the update. That can cause all sorts of issues. And that's it. Now just wait for the download to complete, and it will proceed to update the iOS software to iOS 16. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.